Advanced computer-aided design techniques were used to model and construct stereolithographic representations that could be used to make one-of-a-kind models for marketing evaluation. Different designs were field-tested by physicians in order to optimize the final design. Finite element analysis was used to adjust the design in order to minimize stresses on the T during the loading process. ISO 9001 certification requires a design and development function that ensures that the quality, safety, and efficacy of the IUD are assured before changes to the design, materials, or production process are made. The process development function utilizes advanced analytical equipment to continuously evaluate the relationship between processing variables and the quality requirements. Computer simulations of the critical aspects of the production process were used to optimize the machine design and layout. Using these advanced technologies, Janssen ensures that process reliability is maximized. This results in the production of high-quality product, free from the undesirable variability associated with manual production techniques. The new system is extensively tested and then validated to ensure that high-quality product is produced under the entire range of allowable processing conditions. Strong university links with leading engineering facilities have allowed Janssen to improve their understanding of the material properties of key components. Through careful designed research programs, the knowledge gained from the characterizations of the plastic materials has been transferred to the production environment at The result of this research is also a better understanding of the relationship between material properties, processing conditions, and product attributes, such as memory. The development of new improved quality control analytical procedures is also an added benefit. Advanced finite element modeling studies have generated a detailed understanding of the stresses and strains within a T as it is flexed. This minimizes the strain on a T during the insertion process. Reduction of forward strain during insertion improves the retentive memory of the T. In order to ensure that copper tarnish on our IUDs is kept to a minimum, research studies were carried out in order to establish quantitative relationships between environmental conditions and copper discoloration. New sensitive analytical procedures were developed to measure the reaction kinetics associated with copper discoloration so that production and packaging would minimize the discoloration of the highly reactive copper. Like most ultra-pure metals, the highly refined copper must be protected from high humidities and atmospheric pollutants while ensuring that handling has been kept to a minimum. A special low-humidity vault holds the raw material stocks of copper wire and cylinders until they are used. The production and packaging areas are also environmentally controlled in order to minimize copper discoloration. Sophisticated proprietary automation has been developed to facilitate the production. By developing this proprietary automation, the handling of the copper cylinders by production personnel is substantially reduced. This has a number of benefits. Potential oxidization of the ultra-pure copper may be reduced along with the microbial bioburden load on the T. The injection molding process takes place in a controlled GMP environment. Compliance with written standard operating procedures ensures that the process requirements are always met. High-capacity production systems keep throughput high and costs low. This ensures sophisticated robotic systems coupled with state-of-the-art injection molding equipment ensure consistent and reproducible production control. No Training of all production staff ensures that each step in the production process is completed properly. As part of the ISO 9001 requirements, all new molds or process changes undergo an extensive validation process before any changes are made to the existing commercial process. Sophisticated computer analyses and process simulations, coupled with information obtained from well-designed experiments, allow the process development team to evaluate the consequences of any material or process changes in the most effective and logical manner. This approach ensures that all the variables, their interrelationships and effects within the process are fully understood. The result is product of very high quality. Computer control of these systems ensure high production throughputs, as well as providing the necessary engineering data to ensure a highly controlled process. Automating the final assembly process of the tea with the components of the insertion system was a complex operation. An innovative design and development team was formed to solve the many different electromechanical issues that arose. Prototypes were constructed, tested, modified, and retested before the final design was completed. Automation of the assembly process has a number of significant customer benefits. The total bioburden or pre-sterilization microbial load on the insertion rod, blue flange, inserter rod, and loading device may be reduced by eliminating human handling. Any reduction in the human handling of the copper tea may also reduce the oxidative discoloration. Significant cost and cycle time reductions are achieved by automating these steps. Automation facilitates the reproducibility of the process. The ability to automate a process adds significantly to the ability to control the process and improves the quality of the product produced by it. Industrial engineering analyses of the mechanics of motion for each processing step leads to highly repeatable processing steps which, again, ensures high quality. The design of each processing station is determined by modern industrial engineering techniques. Efficient transfer mechanisms between process steps facilitate the high production throughput and minimize the handling of the component parts of the IUD. As the completed and packaged IUD will be a sterile device, great care must be taken during the production of the tea to ensure that it is free from foreign contaminating substances. The microbial load on the device must be minimized and lie within limits dictated in the sterilization protocol for the process. These are packaged by a state-of-the-art multi-lane bagging machine. Microprocessor controlled with feedback sensor capabilities, the high-speed bagger ensures that seal integrity is maintained by precise temperature, time, and pressure control of the sealing jaws at all times. The multivac bagger provides high throughput, low cycle times, and highly reproducible seals. This translates into low cost and high quality. The package integrity is critical to maintaining the long-term sterility of the IUD. IUDs are sterilized by gamma radiation. Radiation sterilization provides a higher confidence level for product sterility than IUDs that are sterilized by ethylene oxide. The quality assurance function monitors the quality of the IUDs as they move through the various production operations. As the IUD is a sterile device, microbiological characterization plays an important part in the quality assessment process. University-trained chemists and microbiologists using proven analytical techniques provide a powerful independent resource to ensure quality compliance. Raw materials are subjected to extensive physical, chemical, and biocompatibility testing in order to ensure the safety and efficacy of the final product. Emission spectrographic analysis ensures that cylinders and wire meet the stringent requirements for purity. Accurate radiation dose mapping ensures that all GFO IUD products receive the correct radiation dose. After emerging from the radiation sterilizer, each carton is stamped with a sterility control number that is correlated to the analysis of the dosimetry monitors located throughout the batch, which measure the radiation dose that the IUDs have received. Finished product tests such as the analysis of the dosimetry radiation monitors for sterility assurance document the sterility of the IUD. Sophisticated control systems, SOPs, and GMP-trained personnel provide the high levels of quality assurance necessary for our ISO 9001 compliance certification. After QA approval, the IUDs are stored in a GMP-approved warehouse.